PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair in Conshohocken, Pennsylvania continues to provide top-quality furnace repair services to businesses throughout the community. Our team of highly skilled and experienced technicians can diagnose and repair any type of furnace issue, from minor repairs to major overhauls. Call our commercial furnace repair today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a commercial furnace repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. How can I prevent furnace breakdowns? Regular maintenance is the best way to prevent furnace breakdowns. Additionally, changing the furnace filter regularly and keeping the furnace area clean can also help prevent issues. What types of commercial furnaces do repair services typically work on? Commercial furnace repair services typically work on a variety of furnace types, including gas, oil, electric, and propane furnaces. What is your service area for the Conshohocken, Pennsylvania service office? Our local commercial furnace repair services have served Conshohocken, Bala-Cynwyd, Mequon, Roxborough, Shawmont Valley, Belmont Hills, Manayunk, Winfield Heights, Belmont Village, Bala, Wissahickon, Lafayette Hill, Oak Hill, Marion Station, Chamonix, Overbrook. Where is your Conshohocken, Pennsylvania commercial furnace repair service office located? We are located at 100 Presidential Boulevard number 303, Bala-Cynwyd, Pennsylvania 19004. Our phone number is 610-672-3049. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/presidential-boulevard-bala-cynwyd-HVAC-service.